What's up, y'all? Never for day. I just wanted to go through the trades that I took for this week. Pretty much just tell you guys about my entries, what I look for, and pretty much how I do trade the market. So we're gonna discuss a few things today. So there's four things I do look for before entering a trade. So first things first, a higher time frame PD array. So pretty much what that is premium or discount movement in the market. So places where the market will be most reactive off. So this 15-minute fair value gap. There is also an 1 hour fair value gap up here too as well. And on top of that, order blocks. Just parts in the market where price is gonna be more reactive, pretty much. Liquidity sweep. I look for liquidity sweep. So that's pretty much as it took the previous lows of the market. So this did take the previous lows. If I did zoom out and scroll like 60 years to the left, you would actually see that there was a low that was taken on EQ here or NQ. SMT. So again, SMT was also made because what SMT is, as you can see, I do have two charts here. So one is ES and one is NQ, and pretty much what SMT is an imbalance in the market. These are very similar, but at points they do create imbalances. Like this one right here, as you can see, there is an imbalance here where ES did not tap into that 15-minute fair value gap here, but NQ did. So which means most likely it's going to react off that and then go for a quick sell, as you can see there. I would be cautious of this one too as well, though I wouldn't take that sell only because there is that 1 hour fair value gap up there that can be pushed into before the sell downwards. But besides that, with SMT, so smart money technique, as you can see, NQ did capture liquidity there, so it did take the lows previously, but ES did not. ES lows is actually right here, so it didn't take that low, but NQ did, and just similar to it taking the high here, but ES not taking the high here, it's gonna react off that and push for a quick buy. Market was bearish the entire day, but there was opportunities for buys. And then change in state of delivery. So change in state of delivery is pretty much a series of, you see there's a series of down close candle. It's the up close candle above the series of down close candles. So for this one, our change of delivery would be, this would be the final down close candle. We're looking for a closure up above this down close candle right here. So that did happen, and that was our confirmation to enter the trade. So I did set my take profit to buy side liquidity and my stop loss to sell side liquidity. Honestly, if you did put this here, it would work too as well. It is okay, but we just started places there. I mean, it ain't not crazy about doing that, but yeah. So this is the trade I did take on Monday. As you can see, it is a 1 to 2 hour trade. Let's go into the next one. Okay, so my bad, y'all. On Tuesday, I actually did take a losing trade. I did not mark that up. I'm so sorry, y'all. I forgot which trade that was, but for the day we were down 300 and something dollars. So again, my bad. Next week I'm gonna make sure to get that right, but let's get to the next one. Okay, for Wednesday, this was the trade that happened here. We didn't end up taking this trade only because before the change of state of delivery did happen, it did close. The candle did close all the way up here, so we did not have any opportunity for an entry. As you can see, we didn't have any opportunity for entry. So yeah, but let's go through it anyways. As you can see, higher time frame Peter Ray, the 15-minute fair value gap that was formed down here, and also on ES2 as well. SMT also was made, but as you can see, it was the fair value gap there was inversed, or the fair value gap there was completely taken by ES, but not by NQ. So it was still gonna work its way up here. Sell side liquidity set. What else were we missing? Liquidity sweep. Pretty much just everything that you need for the trade. And this trade was beautiful. 125 moves up, or points up, however you want to say it. This is the trade I took today. All the four confluences were here. The 15-minute fair value gap was inversed. Liquidity was swept here at the highs, and then made this new high, worked its way down. We waited for its change in state of delivery. SMT also was made, as you can see. ES did not take the highs, the previous highs, but NQ definitely did. And then we just waited for an entry. I actually waited for re-entry here. I did not enter with this candle. I did enter with the second one here because it wicked down. I almost missed the entry, but it did end up coming back up. Went for an entry here, and then boom, we got a beautiful almost 4 hour trade, 84 points. And with this trade, I did up my size because I was looking at my risk reward, trying to assess what I should be risking, and we made profit. So this week was definitely a good week for trading, or just an okay week, honestly. Besides a couple days where we did miss trade or price was not moving the way we wanted it to move. But you gotta take what the market gives you, right? So besides that, yeah, this is my weekly markup and also my weekly cap of what I did do for trading today. But again, I want to keep doing more of these. So go ahead, subscribe, follow, give me any opinion, any ideas, and yeah, let's go from there. Anyways, y'all, take care.